on the ballot in November, we wanted to know what Northern Michigan thought about the potential changes. Today, the Board of State Canvassers certified a ballot proposal to legalize recreational marijuana, but it would only go to a statewide vote if lawmakers don't make a decision in the next 40 days. And that means lawmakers have the chance to adopt it. If they don't, it will be up for a vote in November's election. Those who enforce current drug laws say it would be a big change for everyone in Michigan, not just those who use marijuana.
Marijuana retail shops are going to spring up everywhere. You're going to smell it when you're pumping gas. You're going to smell it when you're walking around town. It becomes ever present.
Elmer also says the tax dollars marijuana could generate are very small compared to the impact it could have on the community. Even though this ballot initiative would legalize marijuana for recreational use, there would still be guidelines and restrictions for it.
9 and 10's Whitney Amon joins us in Traverse City with what it would look like in our state and what people think about it.
Charlie and Katie, if this is passed, Michigan would become the 9th state to legalize recreational marijuana. And with the wording right now, anyone over the age of 21 can buy and sell it. And you can have up to 2.5 ounces and grow up to 12 plants.
I think that if it's for people's benefit and they're doing it responsibly, then I think that that's awesome that they're looking with moving forward with that.
I don't think it's a good idea to have it. The same reason, drinking and driving isn't a good idea. That when people are high on marijuana, it's going to be a danger to themselves and other people.
Misty Cassell at Chronic Certification Center in Traverse City says there are pros and cons. She says in other states that have legalized recreational use, you can grow 2 to 6 plants.
12 plants in the state of Michigan is probably the only state that is going to allow them to grow that much without a card. That being said, what is that going to do to the populace at that point?
Trooper Pritchard says if this is passed, they would see an increase in fatalities and traffic crashes based on research from other states that have passed this.
We also want the public to know if something like this measure does pass, what effect could this have on the youth? Because inevitably, laws that are passed for adults trickle down to the youth. So that's something we want everyone to be aware of. It affects a great deal of people.
Again, lawmakers have up to 40 days to make a decision, and if they don't, it will be left up to you to vote this November. In Traverse City, Whitney Amon, 9 and 10 News.
Well, thank you, Whitney, and of course we will continue following